Assalamu alaikum. Hello learners. You are welcome to my biology class. Today our topic is blood. Blood is red colored, viscous, slightly alkaline, salty fluid. Blood is red colored, viscous, slightly alkaline, salty fluid which basically passes through the blood vessels throughout the body. Today we will learn the components of blood. The components of blood can be divided into two types. One, plasma. Two, blood corpuscles. Plasma, 55% of blood is basically plasma. Components of plasma can be divided into two types. Number one, water and other substances. Among other substances, plasma contains protein like albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, glucose, small droplets of fat, mineral salts, vitamins, hormones, antibodies, waste products like urea, uric acid, carbon dioxide, etc. These are the components of plasma. Now, blood corpuscles. Blood corpuscles can be categorized into three types. Number one, red blood corpuscles. Number two, white blood corpuscles. And number three, platelets. Now, red blood corpuscles. Among the three blood corpuscles, red blood corpuscles are maximum in number. In per cubic milliliter, there is 5 million per cubic milliliter. Red blood corpuscles circular. Red blood corpuscles look circular, biconcave disc. Because of presence of hemoglobin, it looks red in color. Its average viability is 120 days. Red blood corpuscles are more in male than in female, and red blood corpuscles originated from bone marrow. Now, white blood corpuscles, it is very less in number than red blood corpuscles, 4 to 10,000 per cubic milliliter, and irregular in shape. Average viability is 1 to 5 days. Originated from red bone marrow and lymphatic gland. White blood corpuscles can be divided into two types: agranulocyte and granulocyte. The cytoplasm of red blood cell without granule is known as agranulocyte, and the cytoplasm of red blood corpuscles with granule are known as granulocyte. Agranulocyte can be divided into two types. One, lymphocyte. Two, monocyte. Granulocytes can be divided into three types. One, neutrophil. Two, eosinophil. Number three, basophils. Now, platelets is basically small spindle shape, 2.5 million per cubic milliliter. per cubic ml. Average viability 5 to 10 days. Originated from fragments of cell of bone marrow. Blood, red colored viscous slightly alkaline salty fluid, and the components of blood can be divided into two categories, two types: plasma and blood corpuscles. Plasma, 55% of whole blood is plasma. Major portion of plasma is water. Plasma contains protein, glucose, small droplets of fat, mineral salts, vitamins, hormones, antibodies, waste products. And blood corpuscles or blood cells are of three types. Red blood corpuscles are erythrocytes, white blood corpuscles are leukocytes, and platelets are thrombocytes. White blood corpuscles are of two types: agranulocytes and granulocytes. Agranulocytes are of two types: lymphocytes and monocytes. Granulocytes are of three types: neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. You will be now, dear students, you will be able to write the comparison among the red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, and platelets. That's all about my today's topic. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.